Welcome back to Moto Market Explorer. Today, we're exploring 10 classic motorcycles for sale in the USA, featuring rare machines and timeless character. Number 1. 1976 Harley-Davidson Shovelhead, Flowery Branch, Georgia, $6,500. This 1976 Harley-Davidson Shovelhead represents a true piece of American motorcycle history, built during the iconic bicentennial year. Shovelhead-era Harleys are known for their unmistakable sound, mechanical presence, and classic styling that continues to define vintage American cruisers. This example features a distinctive tank, original Harley sissy bar, and pullback handlebars that give it a relaxed, period-correct stance. The motorcycle is currently running and rides under its own power, though it does need some minor mechanical attention, including addressing a small intake leak. With a clean title and largely intact vintage character, this Shovelhead offers an honest foundation for either continued riding or careful refinement. Number 2. 1976 Honda CB750 F1 Cathay Racer, Oviedo, Florida, $9,900. The Honda CB750 F1 is widely recognized as one of the motorcycles that defined the superbike era, and this example takes that legacy into the custom world. Hand-built over several years, this Cathay Racer is not a bolt-on project, but a fully bespoke machine crafted with attention to detail throughout. Every element of the build was designed specifically for this motorcycle, blending classic CB750 engineering with custom craftsmanship. The result is a one-of-a-kind collector piece that still respects the original platform. With a clean Florida title and a presentation that stands apart from mass-produced customs, this CB750 F1 appeals to collectors seeking rarity, individuality, and long-term value. Number 3. 1970 Triumph Twin Engine, Corinth, Mississippi, $24,500. This 1970 Triumph features a highly unusual twin-engine setup, originally built in the 1980s and recently restored. Utilizing dual 750cc top ends, this motorcycle represents a level of custom engineering rarely seen, even among vintage performance builds. The workmanship is described as excellent, and the bike runs properly, reflecting careful restoration rather than experimentation. Machines like this are less about everyday riding and more about mechanical curiosity, craftsmanship, and historical custom culture. For collectors who value uniqueness and engineering creativity, this Triumph stands as a conversation piece that few others can match. Number 4. 1974 Yamaha DT 360 Enduro, Port Orange, Florida, $3,500. The Yamaha DT series helped define the dual sport category, and this 1974 DT 360 remains a strong example of that legacy. Showing just over 11,000 miles, this bike is largely original, with only minor cosmetic updates such as repainted fenders and a coated fuel tank interior. Known for their lightweight feel and reliable two-stroke performance, DT models remain popular with both collectors and riders. This example runs very well and comes with a clear title, making it suitable for someone who wants a vintage enduro that can still be enjoyed on and off the pavement without extensive recommissioning. Number 5. 1938 Royal Enfield Model S, Dallas, Texas, $14,000. Pre-war motorcycles rarely appear on the open market, making this 1938 Royal Enfield Model S a truly special offering. Powered by a 250cc engine, this bike retains its original paint and period signage, complete with the kind of honest patina that cannot be recreated. Despite its age, it starts, idles, and runs well, reflecting careful stewardship over many decades. With a clean title and strong mechanical condition, this Royal Enfield offers collectors an authentic glimpse into motorcycling before World War II. It's an ideal centerpiece for a serious vintage collection or a historically significant rider for special occasions. Number 6. 1980 Kawasaki Z1 Classic, Arlington, Tennessee, $6,900. The 1980 Kawasaki Z1 Classic is one of the most historically important Japanese motorcycles ever produced, particularly due to its factory electronic fuel injection. Unlike carbureted KZ models, this version represents Kawasaki's early experimentation with modern fueling technology. This example shows just over 13,000 original miles and has been carefully maintained, with all systems reported to be fully functional. The 1015cc inline-4 delivers strong, smooth performance wrapped in timeless Z1-inspired styling. With excellent cosmetics and a clean title, this Z1 Classic is both a collector-grade machine and a usable vintage superbike. Number 7. 1949 Ariel Square 4 4G MK1, Wytheville, Virginia, $16,000. The Ariel Square 4 is one of the most distinctive motorcycles ever built, featuring a unique four-cylinder engine layout and smooth power delivery far ahead of its time. This 1949 4G MK1 has been beautifully restored by a father and son team, returning it to its original glory. Despite being over 7 decades old, the bike starts easily and rides with remarkable smoothness. Its chrome accents and elegant design make it a standout wherever it goes. Examples like this rarely come to market, especially in this condition, making it an exceptional opportunity for collectors who appreciate early engineering excellence. Number 8. 1948 Harley-Davidson Hummer, Tampa, Florida, $5,500. This 1948 Harley-Davidson represents the earliest version of what would later become known as the Hummer. Lightweight and simple, these bikes were designed for practicality and ease of use during the post-war period. This example runs and rides, with recent gearbox service noted. While the odometer reading is unverified, the bike's clean internal condition suggests limited use. There is no title, though a bill of sale is provided, which is common for motorcycles of this age. For collectors of early Harley-Davidson history, this bike offers charm, simplicity, and strong historical significance. Number 9. 1971 Triumph 650 Bonneville, Lufkin, Texas, $4,200. The Triumph Bonneville 650 remains one of the most recognizable British motorcycles ever made, known for its balanced performance and classic styling. This 1971 example is described as ready to ride and offered in good overall condition. With its parallel twin engine and timeless silhouette, the Bonneville continues to appeal to riders and collectors alike. Included with the bike is a DOT-approved helmet, and the sale is straightforward with local pickup. This motorcycle represents a practical entry into classic British ownership with strong name recognition and enduring appeal. Number 10. 1973 Honda CB175, Benton, Arkansas, $2,800. Rounding out today's list is this 1973 Honda CB175, a small displacement classic known for its reliability and approachable nature. The bike remains complete and unrestored, with a notably well-preserved seat suggesting long-term indoor storage. While it has not been started in recent years and may require carburetor service, it was running prior to being parked. Models like the CB175 are increasingly appreciated for their simplicity, durability, and ease of ownership. This example would suit a collector, light restoration project, or enthusiast seeking a smaller vintage Honda with original character. That's today's lineup from Moto Market Explorer. Which classic motorcycle stands out to you? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.